Hello everyone. Today I have to explain factors of production. First, meaning of production. Normally, production means the process of transformation of input into outputs. The production is the process of combining various inputs to make something for consumption. But in economics, production means creation of utility or creation of one satisfied goods and services. And a production is an outcome of an economic activity. Then the creation of utility depends upon four factors of production. Meaning of factors of production. Factors of production means resource used in the process of production of commodities or anything that helps in production is called factors of production. So the factors of production are the inputs needed for the creation of your goods or services. To produce or create any form of utility, we need the four factors. What are the four factors of production? Land, labor, capital and organization are the four factors of production. These are the remuneration for the factors of production. The remuneration for land is called rent and the labor is wages, capital get interest and enterprise or organization get profit. First factor is land. Land refers to all natural resources and is the primary and natural factors of production. It includes not only soil but all the gifts of nature. They are forest, fishes, sunlight, air, water, etc. One of the use of land is to produce goods and the payment of land is called rent. The prosperity of your country fully depends upon land. What are the characteristics of land? First one, it's a free gift of nature. That means it cannot be produced by man. Land is available for free and there is a no cost of production. And the next one, immobility. Land cannot be moved from one place to another, but its ownership can be easily transferred from one place to another. And the third one, it's a primary factors of production. Land is a primary factors of production. It includes not only soil but all the gift of nature. Next one, limited supply. Land is fixed in supply. It cannot be increased or decreased to changes in demand for it. And the next one, alternative uses. Land has alternative uses. For example, land is used for agriculture purpose or construction of buildings. The next one, it has a location value. Next, the second factors of production is known as labor. All the human efforts that helps in production is called labor. This effort can be mental or physical. It is a human factor or active factors of production. So the without labor force, the natural resource cannot become a useful goods. Characteristics of labor. Inseparable from laborer. Normally, land and capital can be separate from their owner, but labor cannot be separate from their laborer. Labor means work, but laborer denotes individual doing the labor. The next one, inelastic supply of labor. The supply of labor is normally inelastic in a country at a particular time. It means their supply can be increased or decreased in the demand of needs. Next one, labor is perishable. Then other factors of production. It means labor cannot be stored. If a worker does not work for a day, the labor cannot postpone for the next day because it is more perishable one. And the next one, increase in wages may reduce the supply of labor. Normally, the supply of goods increased when their prices are increases, but the supply of labor decreases when their wages increased. For example, when wages are decreased, all men, women and the entire family have to work to earn livelihood. But when wages are increased, the laborer may work alone and his wife and children may stop their working. Next one, less mobility of labor. As compared to capital and other goods, labor is less mobile because it can easily transfer from one place to another. And the next one, difference in the efficiency of laborer. Laborer differs in their efficiency. Some of the laborer are more efficient compared to another laborers. Next, capital. Capital means a stock of produced mean of production. It is a man-made production. Capital is the wealth which yield an income. It consists of cash, raw materials, tool, machines, buildings. The prosperity of a nation directly relation to capital. Characteristics of capital. First one, it's a man-made factor. It is created by man. A capital is a man-made factor, so it is called produced mean of production. And the next one, passive factor of production. It is a passive factor, and it's the absence of other factors, it yields nothing. The next one, capital depreciates. If capital used again and again, then it depreciates. For example, if you used machineries for a long period, then it goes to depreciation. And the next one, capital is mobile. Among the all factors of production, capital has a high mobility. Because land is immobile, labor has a low mobility, but capital has both place mobility and also occupational mobility. The last factor is known as organization. It is a fourth factor of production. The man behind organizing the business is called entrepreneur. Normally, an entrepreneur or organizer is a captain of the industry. Economists described organizer is a kingpin of an industry. There are four functions of entrepreneurs. They are planning, organizing, directing, and also controlling. First one, planning. An organizer who plans and starts their business. He decides what produce, when to produce, and where to produce. He determines the quantity and quality of the product to be produced. The next function is organizing. After deciding the nature of the industry, the organizer arranges finance and he buys raw materials and also machineries. The next one, directing. An organizer has directing or supervising every aspect of a business. He keeps a watch on his works of employees and also careful supervision on business. The last one, controlling. An entrepreneur must have full control over the business. He administrates, assists and also help him. He is a captain of the industry and must have the final control with him. These are the functions of organization. Thank you.